This is the Block Sharpener. Block Knife Sharpener is American made. We put our last name with our website on the handle. We got lots of how to use them videos. This is a great sharpener for sharpening your kitchen knives, hunting knives, pocket knives. And these are some of the knives I've sharpened that you've just seen on the video. Today I'm going to sharpen the famous Randall knife. Randall is made in Orlando, Florida. There's about a 4 to 5 year waiting list on them if you want to have one custom made. And it's the only knife company that ever made it to the moon. Block Sharpener will sharpen your Randalls without devaluing the knife or destroying your edges. And this is why. Block Sharpeners are made to flex, so they pick up on any edge, any angle. What they are is two simple chef steels made to squeeze back and follow the original bevel. You buy these good expensive knives, you will not devalue them. Put them on the edge of the counter. They got anti-slip grip, so they lock nice and tight. You got little bumpers come down to grab your edge. Squeeze your blade in there tight and draw through. As you draw through, you bring the back of the knife up. So start right at the bottom of the knife, bring the back of the knife up. The rods are adjusting so they stay on the original edge. They're not tearing the metal off. They're squeezing that edges back together. You can see I got a perfect bevel on it. And then if you want to go a little sharper, use a leather belt. Just push. Bring it the opposite direction. And those two combinations together will take your Randalls way sharper than the day you got them. That razor sharp, and it will not devalue your knife. Block Sharpener. Block Sharpener will sharpen any blade. Visit us to learn more on my website, theblocksharpener.com. If you like to order one, they're only $24.95. We pay shipping, money back guaranteed. Block Sharpener will do a great job on your best knives.